All right, sending photos on your Android tablet. There's a lot of ways to send photos, and I'll show you the most common ways to do this. Let's look at messages first. I think this is probably the most popular way to send photos to friends and family. I'll open messages and choose the conversation where I want to send photos. In the text field where you'd type your message, towards the right side there's a little image attachment icon. I'll tap that and I get two options. Either upload photos from my device or choose from the Google Photos app. I don't use Google Photos, so I'll pull images from my device instead. I'll get a little file browser here where I can sort through my files and find what I want to send. You can select photos here, but for a lot of users, it might be easier to go to the Gallery app and choose photos from there. The previews are easier to work with when you're in the gallery. I'll choose a photo and it gets added to my message. I can then either add a little message to go with it, or just send the photo and nothing else. If I wanted to send multiple photos, I can go to that same menu and then tap and hold to select multiple photos at once. Again, this is where the Gallery app is a little easier because you'll see a large preview of the photos. But both options work. Either choose your photos here or access the gallery to find what you want to send. Anyways, that's how you'd send photos in the Messages app. I had some duplicate photos here, but you get the idea. Another common way to send photos would be via email. This depends on your email app, but in Gmail, for example, you'd use the little file attachment button on the top and then choose Photos. Then pick the photos you want to send, and you're ready to email them out. This one honestly is a little easier than the Messages app. You'll get a nice little preview grid where you can scroll your photos and choose the ones you want to attach to your email. Then just write your message and send out the email. Another way to send photos would be to do it directly from your photo gallery. If I go to my gallery and pick a photo, I can then use the Share button up top to access a quick way to share the photo. This will suggest all the different apps that I could use to share the photo, and whether that's WhatsApp, email, Telegram, or whatever. Another pretty cool way to share is the Quick Share. This is a wireless file transfer that you can do with nearby devices, and it doesn't require an internet connection. If I go to the Quick Share menu, it'll recognize my Android phone that's nearby, and I can transfer the photo to my other device over the air. Quick Share is nice because it's fast, and it also doesn't compress your photos and videos. Sometimes messaging apps will compress your files to reduce file size, which can cause the image quality to suffer. Quick Share transfers the original file with no compression, so your recipient gets the full quality every time. And that's how you send photos on your tablet. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.